Hi everyone, so welcome back to my page. I'm Melissa, and I have a new unboxing for you. It is BULLYMAKE, and I got it for my new dog over here. Let's see, his name is Thor. Someone dropped him off, and he turned out to be just a really good dog, so we just took him in. And we're excited to have him. It is really hot in my house, so I have the fans going. We don't have the air conditioner in yet, so you'll hear that in the background. But I just wanted to tell you a little about BULLYMAKE because this is my first order. I did go ahead and get the 3-month order, like I paid 3 months ahead. But you can do 1 month for $39. You can do 3 months for $36 a month. 6 months for $34, 12 months for $31. So it gives you a 20% discount the more that you, or up to a 20% discount the higher you pay ahead of time. So you pick your plan and then tell them about your pet, like the weight, allergies, and even toy preferences. Tell them about or what should be in your box, or let them decide. So you can choose by, like they give you like 3 or 4 options. I know that I chose all the options for the US made toys. They had one option of like a Chinese made toy, so I went for US. And then it says, we'll ship to you a BULLYMAKE Box on the next business day and every 30 days thereafter. Why buy from BULLYMAKE? We manufacture and ship the tough stuff. If your dog is an extreme chewer, tugger, fetcher, or player, we got you covered. We offer an industry-leading durability and satisfaction guarantee. Nothing destroyed or leaves your dog unsatisfied, or we will replace it for free, which I thought was a good selling point because if something happens to your toy, they will replace it. So I think that's a good deal. It says our specialty nylon, ballistic, and rubber toy materials are made in the USA. Each toy is made with love and care. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. My address is on there, so I'm going to try not to show that. Okay, so when we first open it, here's what it looks like. It says, the BULLYMAKE Box. From the back it says, thanks for ordering your customized BULLYMAKE Box. You can swap toy materials at any time in the My Account section of our website. See you next month. Always monitor your pets during treat, play, and chew time. Okay, and then it's got a cute little paper on it. It's just got a bunch of different types of dogs on it. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so we have, I think this is the nylon, like it's the hard plastic looking stuff, and it's got a cute dog on it in the center. I don't know if you can see that, but it says BULLYMAKE on it. Thor, you want this? You want that? He's not sure. You want that? Let's go on to the next thing. Maybe he'll play with it. Okay, so this is like that thick rubber stuff, but it has a hole on the inside so where you can put the treats in there, And it does say, made in the USA on the bottom. It's cute. You want that? That's for you. Ooh. And here is, I think, the ballistic part. Hear it. Let's take the tag off. You like that one? You want that one? Go. Go. Go, go, go. You want that one? You want that one? You want that one? Yeah, he wants that one. There you go. Alright, and then, alright, so it comes with totally grainless dental care made in the USA treat for dogs made with real chicken and peanut butter. So, those are exciting. I do have like a little bag right there that I have for him. I've got 2 weeks left of that, so I'll start this after those are done. And then we have BULLYMAKE quail bacon strips. Ooh. I don't know about you guys, but I like quail and bacon. And then we have BULLYMAKE French toasties. Let's see if he'll do a trick for this. Not so much trick, but listen. Door. Come. You sit. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. There you go. He's gonna spit it out. Eat it. Eat it. Anyways, so that's the end of my BULLYMAKE. I think he's gonna enjoy these toys for sure. I'm not sure about the sec. Oh, he's eating it now. There you go. You like that? Alright, well thanks for joining me. This was fun. And I can't wait to get more boxes for my pet. Have a great day.